Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 10 pounds in only 1 week. This is a powerful weight loss. It's going to help to shrink that water weight off of you, flush out your kidneys. It's going to detox your body, and it's also going to give you some energy. So let me show you some of the powerful ingredients that you're going to need for this drink. Today we're going to be working with our ginger. Okay. This is good for the fat burning process. We're also going to be working with some lemons. If you don't have lemon, you can also substitute it with a lime. Okay, but lemons have more juice. We're also going to be working with some mint leaves, a large cucumber, my favorite, my Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and 2 cups of filtered water. Okay, now today we're going to be using a personal size blender. And if you have a very large blender cup, we're going to be working with that today. Okay, so what I'm going to do, start off by throwing my mint leaves in there. And I would say 1 sprig of mint leaves is good. Okay, and also chop your cucumbers into pieces. If it's organic, you don't have to remove the skin. If not, you have to remove the skin to get rid of all of that film, or just really scrub it really good. Just cut it into pieces and pop it inside your blender cup. This is a fast, early morning drink that you can make. Okay. Next, we're going to take our lemon and we're going to squeeze the juice of a full lemon in the blender cup. Okay. All right, next for my ginger root, I'm just going to de-skin it. And next we're just going to chop that into little pieces so I can get through the blender blades a lot easier. Okay, pop that in there. Now we're going to add our water, filtered water. And lastly, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Now, we're just going to blend this up. Now next, what we're going to do is pour this inside of our strainer, because we're going to strain all of the pulp out of it. And I'll be back right after finish straining this. And you're left with a nice size amount of drink. Okay, so now I'm just going to carefully transfer it into my measuring cup. And pour it into my drinking cup. Okay, so it made a little bit over a liter. Last, I'm just going to pop my metal straw in it, and now you have a powerful weight loss drink. This is delicious. Very refreshing, very light. It doesn't have a harsh flavor. Now, you drink this in the morning. You can use this as a meal replacement if you really are trying to flush out that fluid in your body, flush out your kidneys. It's going to help you as well to go. It's a very light drink, so you may get a little hungry afterwards. You can have a light breakfast if you desire, but try to keep from eating anything heavy, okay? This is considered a meal replacement, but if you feel a little hungry, have some fruit, have some yogurt in between your breakfast and your lunch. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Also check down below in the Amazon affiliate links for these wonderful, powerful blenders, the NutriBullet Personal as well as the full-size blenders, and these awesome reusable metal straws. Okay, also check down in the links for my eBay store where you will get all sorts of herbs, spices, detox tonics, herbal honeys that is going to do your body right. And also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skincare, beauty care, family challenges, and fashion hauls. So you guys, don't forget, your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will join you again in the next video. Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Vlogs coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it, and like I said, it works. Okay, this tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.